Greeting ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rohit Sharma. You are watching News 47. Let's have a look. Top story of the day. Gangster Vikas Dubey was killed after he tried to escape from the spot during his transits from Ujjain to Kanpur and their car met with accident. However, many have raised questions over Vikas Dubey's encounter. Government of India has started pushing out foreign national park who were booked for violating the lockdown by attending a congregation at the Tablighi Jamaat Markaz in Delhi's Nizamuddin, India. The circumstances of the encounter have created controversy over the genuineness of the police action. The five other which led to rigging controversy. As per the administration, the 25-year-old AIIMS junior doctor identified Anurag Kumar died by suicide by jumping off 10th floor of hospital. 2 IAS and 13 PCS officers as well as 2 other government officials were confirmed positive for coronavirus in Punjab as the state battles surge in infection. Uttar Pradesh government has currently under a strict lockdown keeping in view the rise in coronavirus cases. Government has decided to take a strict action against those who step out with the face cover in public places. Penalty on violator from ₹100 to ₹500. India continued to see a daily spike in COVID-19 cases as various state government reimposed intense lockdown restrictions in the containment zone in their respective states. The Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana ambitious job for migrant scheme launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on June 20th, the laying of optic fiber cables. India's drug regulator has approved itolizumab, a drug used to cure skin ailment psoriasis for restricted emergency use to treat COVID-19 patient with the moderate to severe acute respiratory distress. Doctor of Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, Delhi claimed that the birth of coronavirus infected child from the corona negative mother's womb is the first case in the country. On the other hand, Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra stressed on the need to teach the younger generation about the constitution and its values. Speaking to chairman and vice chancellor of the private university through video conferencing, he said it was necessary to induce the youth to constitute so that they play an active and constructive role in nation building. He also said that the Samvidhan Udyan should be built in private universities. United States President Donald Trump is working on an executive order to establish a merit-based immigration system that will include a road to citizenship for the recipient of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrival program. A 2-member advanced team of World Health Organization experts has left for the China to organize an investigation into the origin of the novel coronavirus. India's COVID-19 vaccine candidate will go through a rigorous evaluation process that will not to compromise, the government principal scientific advisor K. Vijay Raghavan said, and indicating the ICMR Bharat Biotech vaccine is unlikely to be out by August 15. A promotional prank by an online streaming platform confounded several residents of Mumbai, leading to a slew of calls to police control room. The cyber cell of the Maharashtra police said it had asked Sony Leap, the streaming service, to stop the promotional activity. Police started getting calls from people in the afternoon that they has received strange call from numbers starting with 140 or 40. In the short term, it's crucial to ascertain how to respond to extreme heat and urbanization challenging during a major pandemic. So India is among the most rapidly urbanization country in the world. Senior official of the HRD minister said the UGC guideline on final year examination are binding in a nature, although for a state, that is West Bengal, Odisha, Maharashtra, Punjab, have returned to the union government in protest. The former union minister and a senior BJP leader Uma Bharti questioned the circumstances leading to gangster arrest from the Mahakal temple in Ujjain. She said mystery surrounded the arrest that took place hours before his death in an allying encounter near Kanpur. Actor Amitabh Bachchan and his son Abhishek Bachchan has been admitted in Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai after testing positive for the coronavirus. They confirmed the news of their diagnosis on Twitter, with Abhishek Bachchan informing that they have mild symptoms of coronavirus. The Central Board of Secondary Education has revised its syllabus for students of classes 9 to 12 in the wake of COVID-19, leaving out topics such as federalism, nationalism, and secularism from class 11 political science books and many more. Well, that's it in today's bulletin. Keep watching News 47 for national and international news coverage. Thanks for watching News 47.